In a small town in the United States, there lived a 12-year-old boy named Ethan. He was kind, honest, and always tried to do the right thing. One sunny Saturday morning, Ethan rode his bicycle to the local park. Children were playing basketball, families were having picnics, and dogs were running across the green grass. As Ethan walked near a bench, he noticed something lying on the ground. It was a wallet. He picked it up and opened it carefully. Inside, there was a driver's license, several credit cards, and a lot of cash. Ethan's eyes grew wide. "Wow," he whispered. For a moment, he imagined all the things he could buy. He wanted a new video game and a pair of sports shoes. The money in the wallet could easily pay for them. But Ethan knew the wallet belonged to someone. Somewhere, a person was probably worried and searching for it. So Ethan put the wallet in his backpack and rode home. When he arrived, he showed it to his mother. "Mom, I found this wallet in the park." His mother looked inside. "That was a good thing to bring home," she said with a smile. "Let's find the owner." They looked at the driver's license. The owner's name was Mr. Robert Wilson. His address was only a few miles away. Ethan and his mother drove to the address. When they arrived, they saw an older man standing outside his house. He looked upset and worried. "Excuse me," Ethan said. "Are you Mr. Wilson?" The man's eyes widened. "Yes, I am." Ethan held out the wallet. "Did you lose this?" Mr. Wilson stared at it for a moment. Then his face lit up. "My wallet!" he exclaimed. He quickly opened it and checked inside. Everything was there. The cash, the cards, the identification, nothing was missing. Mr. Wilson looked at Ethan with tears in his eyes. "You have no idea how much this means to me," he said. "I thought it was gone forever." Ethan smiled. "I'm glad I could help." Mr. Wilson pulled out a $50 bill. "Please take this as a reward." But Ethan shook his head. "No, thank you." Mr. Wilson looked surprised. "You don't want a reward?" Ethan smiled again. "My mum taught me that helping people is the right thing to do." Mr. Wilson was deeply impressed. Over the next few weeks, he often thought about the honest young boy. One day, Mr. Wilson learned that Ethan dreamed of becoming an engineer someday. He also learned that Ethan's family did not have much money. Mr. Wilson happened to be a retired engineer. He decided to help. Every Saturday, he invited Ethan to his workshop. There, he taught him about machines, science, and problem-solving. Ethan loved every lesson. He worked hard and learned quickly. Years passed. Ethan graduated from high school with excellent grades. Later, he earned a scholarship to study engineering at a top university. At his graduation ceremony, Ethan saw Mr. Wilson sitting proudly in the audience. After the ceremony, Ethan walked over to him. "Thank you," Ethan said, "for everything." Mr. Wilson smiled. "No, Ethan. You thanked me years ago when you returned my wallet. But the truth is, your honesty changed both of our lives." Ethan realized something important that day. When he returned the wallet, he thought he was only helping a stranger. But one small act of honesty had opened a door to opportunities, friendship, and a brighter future.